So I thought I'd do something a little bit different and show you some of my wardrobe essentials, since I've literally just unpacked as we've arrived in Mykonos. And for me, it's super important when we do travel to have a few pieces that, you know, are sort of like things like, especially now we're in between seasons, just something that's like really related to where we're going, but at the same time keeps me warm, casual, and, you know, trying to get that vibe of like Mediterranean feel. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a few pieces. Like my favorite right now is just like a casual, beautiful like linen shirt, and pairing it with like a pair of palazzo trousers. I'll actually link a picture on the side that I wore when we were in Paros recently. Then just a casual blazer, linen mix also for like the cooler evenings. You can't go wrong, sorry for the wrinkles, but you can't go wrong for a beautiful pair of like just easy linen or even cotton mixed trousers for those cooler days. And then, yeah, just a casual shirt, just a lovely, you know, easy breezy shirt. And then these are like really currently very trendy at the moment also. They're like the twin sets of like the crochet. Absolutely love them. And then for the evening, I am really big on jumpsuits. So I would pick out something along this line, which probably I might wear tonight. And then, yeah, just little accessories that I'm absolutely loving at the moment. Obviously a basket that is perfect for like traveling and, you know, just really easy and suits the vibe. Some sunglasses. My go-to right now are Castañer. They're a Mallorcan brand. They're really, really beautiful, like these here. Very easy to wear, especially if you're like in a place that's got like cobblestones, which right now in Mykonos and in Paros, I do recommend like something a little bit more stable. Yeah, sort of that style. Obviously you've got your bikini, really important, and just some lovely earrings, some casual earrings. We've got like the casual day ones, and then these ones here that I absolutely love that Dan got me recently for Christmas from a brand in Palma called Bossa. I will link everything below if anyone's interested, but these are just some pieces that I find really, really nice just to have and just really complement your travels with.